Hello, in this video we will explain AmiBroker Formula Language AFL. If you are a trader who wants to automate analysis, test strategies or create custom indicators, this is the right place. We'll show you the basics of AFL and give you an example to help you to get started. So in this video we will cover 4 main subtopics, which is what is AFL, writing a simple strategy, how to find, use and save a free AFL scripts in AmiBroker, and the last one is backtesting the AFL. First we will see what is AFL. AFL or AmiBroker Formula Language is a scripting language in AmiBroker. It's used to create custom indicators and trading strategies. Likewise, the scripting language used to create strategies on TradingView is Pine script. Using AFL, you can create your own trading system to fit your needs. It can be used for anything from simple indicator to complex strategies and a fully automated trading system. The second subtopic is writing a simple strategy. Now let's write a simple strategy in AFL called the moving average crossover. In this strategy, we buy when the fast moving average crosses above the slow moving average, and we sell when it crosses below. This is widely used strategy in trading to identify potential buy and sell signals. In this scripts, we calculate two moving average as a fast one with a period of 10 and slow one with a period of 30. We then use the cross function to create buy and sell signal. The cross function returns true when the first series crosses above the second series, which is how we define the entry and exit points. See, the strategy will look like this. If you are interested in learning AFL coding, there are plenty of online courses available out there. For your reference, you can take this Udemy course, Everything About AFL Programming by Pranav Arora, which will cover the core concepts about AFL coding. Now, the third subtopic is how to find, use and save free AFL scripts in AmiBroker. If you are a newbie and you want free AFLs, you can download them for free in web. I have given a link in description for free AFLs. Once you find a script you like, just click on it, copy the code and go to the analysis or formula editor in AmiBroker, paste the code there, then head to tools and click verify syntax to ensure everything is correct. After that, you can save the AFL by going to file and clicking save. Now you all set to use the AFL in trading strategies. To view the AFL, go to charts and click customs, then choose the AFL. Here, this is your AFL. And the last subtopic is backtesting the strategy. A major benefit of AFL is the ability to backtest strategies to see how they would have performed historically. Let's quickly test our moving average crossover strategy. To backtest, we simply go to the backtest settings and select the AFL script we created. AmiBroker will automatically run the strategy on historical data and provide you a performance metrics like total return, drawdown and other key metrics. That's it for today. AmiBroker Formula Language is extremely powerful and flexible, and with practice you can create complex trading systems and tailor to your needs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and let me know in comments what kind of AFL strategies you like to see next. Happy coding and trading. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.